changing the alpha!
To protect you!
Now do you get it?
You never cease to amaze me, bud.
Your father would be every bit as proud as I am.
Thank you. I'm really glad you're here, Mom.
See? I told you it was in here.
Still doing that one. That's hilarious.
The chief has come home!
Here,
Go on. It's all right.
come. He won't hurt you. Hold your hands out. Like this. That's it. Let him come to you. Looks like we found another one, bud. Oh, what? Do you want an apology? Is that why you're pouting, big baby boo? We'll try this on. Oh, you feeling it yet? Huh? Picking up on all my heartfelt remorse? Oh, come on. Yeah, you wouldn't hurt a one-legged. Oh, you're right. You win.
You're not getting away this time.
And here I was, worried we might turn up empty-handed.
Nope, it's your lucky day. We give up. That's one Night Fury, one Deadly Natter, and 2 of the finest dragon riders west of Luck-Tuck. That ought to make the boss happy. Excuse us.
What are you doing?
Toothless, stay. The dragons don't really care for cramped spaces, so they'll just hang out with you. There won't be any trouble. Unless you do that. You know, wooden boats, big ocean. How is your swimming?
Not good.
Oops, almost forgot. Can't have armed prisoners.
How is this a plan?
Just what every dragon trapper needs. One end coats the blade in monstrous nightmare saliva. The other sprays hideous zippleback gas. All it takes is a spark and... Oh yeah, there you go. Once they see you as one of their own, even the testiest dragons can be trained. Right, bud?
Give me that. What game are you playing?
No game. We just want to meet Drago.
Why?
Because I'm going to change his mind about dragons.
He can be really persuasive.
Once you've earned his loyalty, there is nothing a dragon won't do.